Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Karim. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 37,608 level on July 24, 2020. The weekly closing is below the weekly pivot level of 37,615 level. The major weekly resistance and support levels are at 39,084 and 35,051 respectively. Technically, the trending indicators are still bullish. The appearance of spinning candle after a 3-week rally may slow the current bullish trend. The HASCOL closed at 13.48 level on July 24, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 13.99. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 16 and 13.10 respectively. It will remain sideways as long as it remains within the rectangular pattern. The Unity Foods closed at 12.72 level on July 24, 2020. The closing is conjuncting with the weekly pivot level of 12.73. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 13.93 and 11.61 respectively. The stock is having sideways movement for last 3 weeks with rising turnover. The TRG closed at 38.28 level on July 24, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 38.40. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 41.00 and 36.32 respectively. Technically, it has achieved projected target around 40 level, which was stated here few weeks ago. The K Electric closed at 3.16 level on July 24, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 3.24. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 4.00 and 2.00. Technically, it is trading sideways above the 12-week wide, old consolidation. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 30.42 level on July 24, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 31.72. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 37.20 and 28.80 respectively. It may attempt to fill the underlying price gap. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.